In a world experiencing the growing pressures of climate change, taking action is more important than ever. Conservationists around the globe are turning to nature-based solutions as an effective act of resilience. In Williamsburg, Virginia, a team of William & Mary students and faculty have teamed up with universities in Madagascar, researchers from Conservation International, and local communities to protect our planet's most vital resource: water.
I think that what makes this project special is that it is so interdisciplinary. There's space for a computer science student to work on the project. There's space for physics students, for engineering students, for chemistry students.
So in our laboratory, we use different tools available to us. We look at chemistry and general atmospheric chemistry, and how these small-scale systems have these very large, very broad impacts on the environment.
So the water sensor is a water turbidity sensor that works as a low-cost version of monitoring water turbidity as a proxy for water quality. It's basically a waterproof box with a tube through the middle, and it has an LED light that shoots light through the tube, through the water, and then it sends back a reading of how much light is scattered into detectors based on how much sediment is in the water.
I think it's really important to be able to get other perspectives on a project like this. Michael, for example, is a hydrologist, and having all of these disciplines come together is really what makes this project tick.
Complex conservation challenges requires diverse expertise and perspectives. By bringing in together students, scientists, conservationists, and community members, we can develop a holistic solution that addresses both ecological and socio-economic aspects of conservation and environmental aspect. We have also one saying: more people, more ideas.
This interdisciplinary team forms the foundation for the development of the water sensor, and most importantly, the expertise of local communities in Madagascar is critical to the project's success as a whole.
A sensor is needed. A local sensor is much more needed. It's do-it-yourself device. So in a poor country, then you need to have solutions that match the context of the poverty of the country. The lower the cost, the better.
So the Moore Center for Science at CI, we are the science unit. One of the goals of our work is actually to make sure that the projects that we are implementing on the ground are science-based. The Priceless Planet Coalition project, the target is to plant 12 million trees. Is led by different organizations, but mainly MasterCard, together with Conservation International. We wanted to make sure that the restoration in Lake Alaotra was being monitored to understand whether or not the restoration was providing the impacts that was expected with respect to freshwater. We really want to contribute towards to this goal to reduce sedimentation that is really not only affecting the ecology of the lake, but also the socio-economic environment, because rice production is so important for that region and for the country of Madagascar. We can only do conservation if the communities are engaged, because we can think about many solutions for a particular place, but if it doesn't make sense to them, it's not going to hold. We need more of these types of collaborations. When you see the impact that we can have on a particular community, on a particular area, if we hold hands, it's just beautiful. It gives me hope.